Welcome to day one. We start with the brow muscle because it's one of the easiest to master the therapeutic principles that we are using. So later in the week, when you move on to more subtle muscle groups, you'll have a feeling and a sense of how to apply the principles. For example, we start with improving mind-body connection with the finger, feeling the muscle movement. Then we use intent. Then we do a coordinated effort using the symmetric principles of beauty and also relaxation to find neutral. To maximize neural current, we use the oceanic breath to maximize stimulation of the nerves around the muscle group so it can feed the collagen and keep the area refreshed with neural current. And for that we use contraction, flexion, and relaxation. And the whole intent is to improve fine motor skills and also detection of acute emotional expressions so they don't become chronic impressions. So let's begin. Opposite direction. Inhale, straight spine, left ear, left shoulder, chin rolling up towards the ceiling. Big inhale, big lift, and exhale, roll left ear, left shoulder. Tuck the chin. The full breath, belly, chest, neck, face, top of the head. Exhale, soften the forehead, eyebrows, cheekbones, lips, chin, jaw, neck, shoulders, chest. Follow the breath to the tailbone. Starting position for butterfly. Interlace your fingers underneath your chin. Elbows wide, straight spine, chin level. Soften your face. As you inhale, lift the elbows high. As you exhale, lift the chin, gaze up and back. Draw the elbows together. Nice and slow for 2 counts. Inhale, lower the chin, lift the elbows. Big inhale, big lift, and exhale. Lift the chin, draw the elbows together, parallel to the floor. Finish your exhale, close the elbows. Start with a full inhale, belly, chest. Bring the breath through the neck, through the face, to the top of the head. Visualize. And exhale, soften the breath through the face, eyebrows, cheek, chin, neck, shoulders. Follow the breath to the tailbones. Straight spine. As you inhale, roll left ear to left shoulder. Keep inhaling, lift the chin towards the ceiling, gaze up, full breath, chin high. Exhale, roll right ear, right shoulder. Keep the spine straight, roll, tuck the chin. Inhale, right index finger on the inside of the brow. We're going to use the finger to lightly lift the brow. So inhale from the tailbone, a wave up the spine through the neck, and as the wave hits the eyebrow, lift the inner eyebrow and lightly assist with the finger. As you exhale, soften the forehead, soften the eyebrow. Follow the wave of breath down to the tailbone. Inhale, right index finger on the inside of the brow. We're going to use the finger to lightly lift the brow. So inhale from the tailbone, a wave up the spine through the neck, and as the wave hits the eyebrow, lift the inner eyebrow and lightly assist with the finger. As you exhale, soften the forehead, soften the eyebrow. Follow the wave of breath down to the tailbone. Move the index finger to the center eyebrow muscle. Create a wave through the spine. Inhale, lengthen through the chest, the neck, the face, the center brow, lift. And exhale, soften the wave from the top of the head through the brow, through the face, through the chest, to the tailbone. Position the finger on the outside corner of the brow. Inhale away through the spine. Lift the outside corner of the brow. Lightly assist with the finger. Big inhale, big lift. Exhale, soften the wave from the top of the head, through the brow, through the face, the jaw, the neck, the chest, the tailbone. Inhale a breath through the spine. Lift the left index finger to the inside of the left eyebrow muscle. Take another breath. Inhale a wave through the spine. Lift the inner brow so the wave hits the top of the head. Full breath, full lift. Exhale, soften the wave through the top of the head, through the inner eyebrow, through the face, the jaw, chest, the tailbone. Reposition index finger to the center of the brow. Inhale a wave through the spine, up the chest, the neck, the chin. Lift the center brow muscle. Keep inhaling, max inhale, max lift, and exhale, soften. Forehead, eyebrow, face, jaw, neck, chest, tailbone. Reposition index finger outside of the brow. Inhale, lift the spine. Wave through the neck, the chin, the face, and the brow. Lift. Keep lifting the breath through the top of the head. Then exhale, soften. Forehead, brow, chin, neck, chest. Use the finger as a weight underneath the brow. Start from a higher position of the brow, lifted, and press down lightly with the finger. Inhale, breathe away through the spine, lift. Then exhale, lightly press and soften the brow down, back to neutral. Reposition the finger to the center of the brow. Inhale, lift the brow. Place underneath, hold. Exhale, soften the brow and lightly press down. So activating the muscle just a little bit. Reposition the finger on the outside of the brow, underneath. So inhale, lift. Exhale, lightly press and press the brow down. Your inhale through the spine. Max lift on the brow as the breath goes through the spine. Lightly press underneath and exhale as the breath comes down. Contract the brow just a little bit to come down. Soften the breath in the tailbone. Place the index finger on the center of the brow, underneath. Full inhale, full lift, and exhale, lightly press and contract the brow down. Reposition the finger to the outside of the brow. Inhale, lift, full lift, finger underneath the brow. Exhale, contraction. As the breath goes through the face, down to the tailbone. Inhale, pointing fingers on the inside, lightly press against the bone. As you inhale, roll the fingers across the brow to the temple. As you exhale, back to the center. Add another finger. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And then go for the whole face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light